Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into some amazing closet organization hacks to help you maximize your small closet spaces. You know, just like a well-organized home brings a sense of calm, a tidy and harmonious closet can spark so much joy in your life. When you open your closet doors and see everything in its place, doesn't it just fill you with a sense of peace? That's what we're aiming for today. Creating a closet space that truly reflects your best self. Often we forget to look up. Our closets have so much potential above eye level. By adding extra shelves, we can create layers of storage, almost like a beautiful tiered cake stand. Imagine your sweaters, your handbags, all resting peacefully on their designated shelves. And if shelves aren't your style, don't worry. Stackable storage bins are like little treasure chests, just waiting to be filled with your belongings. Now let's talk about hangers. Did you know that these humble tools can actually double the space in your closet? Cascading hangers, my dears, are truly magical. They allow your clothes to hang down, one below the other, creating a beautiful waterfall effect in your closet. And the best part? You can see all your clothes at a glance, no more rummaging through piles. Have you ever noticed how clothes seem to have a mind of their own, toppling over and getting mixed together? It's time to bring back order with shelf dividers. These little helpers are like gentle boundaries, keeping your stacks of sweaters, your neat piles of jeans, from turning into a jumbled mess. And just imagine, no more searching for your favorite scarf at the bottom of a pile. The back of your closet door is like a blank canvas just waiting for your personal touch. And what better way to add that touch than with hooks? Hooks are like little hugs for your accessories, keeping them safe and sound. Imagine your favorite handbag, your most elegant scarf, all hanging neatly on display, ready to complete your perfect outfit. As the seasons change, so do our wardrobes. But don't let out-of-season clothes clutter your precious closet space. Instead, let's give them a little vacation. Vacuum-sealed bags are like magic wands, shrinking down bulky sweaters and coats into small, manageable packages. And underbed storage? Well, that's like giving your off-season clothes a cozy little retreat until it's their time to shine again. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more organization hacks. Remember, a tidy closet is just the beginning. As you surround yourself with the things that spark joy, you'll find that this sense of peace and order will flow into every aspect of your life. Until next time, may your closets and your lives be filled with happiness and organization.